Okay, we're going to do a lab on physical and chemical changes. You can find this lab in your Chromebook assignments under labs for chapter 9. So we're going to start by taking some cobalt chloride, which I made especially for us, and I'm just going to put a little teeny bit right there. Come on, come out. There we go. That's cobalt chloride, CoCl2, and then we're going to add some sodium phosphate to it. And this is in a big bottle, so all I'm going to do is take a couple of drops. Let's see what happens. Whoa, it's cloudy, and it's purple. I wonder what caused it to go purple. Chemical or physical? Nice red liquid. Nice colorless liquid. Purple. That's pretty cool. So let's take our little plate over for a walk. And in this one, all we're going to use is water. Whoops, I made a mess. Water and 1 drop of food coloring. I chose green for Payson. It is green. You mean green with water made green? But pink and colorless make purple? Huh. Strange things that we do. Okay, the next one says that, the next one is C, and you've all seen ice melt, so do that one. And you've all seen salt dissolve in water, so do that one. And then there's a couple of pictures that you have to use to decide if they're chemical or physical. That picture, that picture, that picture. Then let's see what we can do with another one. Let's see, where did I put those things? Oh, they're over here too. This one you have to be really careful with because you can't put it down the drain. So far, everything we put down the drain. For the next one, we can. So here goes anything. A little bit of lead nitrate. Lead nitrate, being ionic, dissolves in water. So I'm going to pour some in one of these little cups. Little lead nitrate. And I'll grab one of the little squeeze-its and take some Ki. And we'll put a few drops of this in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think it's yellow goo. Wonder if I could stir it. Yellow goo. Ooh, it's nice and flaky on the bottom. Yellow goo. Kind of green and kind of colorless make yellow goo. It's probably, no, it's colorless and colorless made yellow goo. That was super cool. Now let's see if we can find another one. Next one on my list says, did that one. Next one on my list is, it has to do with magnesium ribbon. Magnesium ribbon is some of my funnest things to play with. If you were here, you'd like to play with it too. One of these days we'll catch it on fire just for the heck of it. And we're going to add copper chloride to it. So here goes. There's my magnesium. And here's my copper chloride. And it's going to look like nothing happens for a while. So we'll be back to that one in a few minutes. because it has to take a couple of minutes. Oh, but it's kind of bubbly. Zinc, magnesium, zinc. Yep, it's giving off some bubbles. Ooh, it's getting coated with something. Wonder what it's getting coated with. I think that I need a bigger plate for the next one. Okay, let's put my other piece of magnesium ribbon. And we'll put some hydrochloric acid with this one. You have to watch fast with this one. Come on, a little tiny bit of hydrochloric acid. It's really bubbling. It's giving off some sort of a gas. Isn't that cool? It's disappearing. Now it's in two pieces, but it's getting littler. I guess we'll come back. But that was pretty cool. Okay, last one. Oh, part L, nickel chloride and Ki. It sits there and looks at you and does absolutely nothing. But let's try this one. Sodium hydroxide, if I can open the bottle. I can't open the bottle. Maybe I'll have to go get a different bottle. Come on, sodium hydroxide, where are you? Sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide, okay. I knew there was a reason I gave up plastic. Oh, there's way enough in this one. This one I can open. Sodium hydroxide. I'm going to put in a big one. And then I'm going to add some of this. Whoa. This was colorless. The sodium hydroxide was colorless. Now it's pink. But I'm not done yet. Hydrochloric acid. Drip, 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 drip. Hope I don't run out of room before I run out of magic. What happened to the pink stuff? It's almost gone. Helps if you stir. Now you've seen some chemical changes. Time to write about it.